This is going to be a quick one, but I'm super excited about it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my everyday 5-minute quick get ready with me makeup. So I'm actually getting ready to film on my couples channel, and it's also kind of like a at-home date night, at-home Valentine's date night. By the time you guys see this video though, Valentine's Day is already gone, but we're actually getting ready to film like a dinner at home date night for Valentine's Day on our couples channel. So I will link the couples channel down below if you guys want to check that out. So I'm super excited about today's video because I got some products from Merit Beauty to try out. So I'm going to be unboxing and trying these products with you guys while doing my quick 5-minute makeup. So hopefully this doesn't take more than 5 minutes. Might take a little bit longer because I'm explaining and showing the products. Without further rambling, let's get into these products. All right, so you guys probably don't know what Merit Beauty is. I didn't either until they reached out to me and I looked up their brand, learned a little bit about their products. It literally fits in line with my everyday style. So I thought it would be a good idea just to do this video and give a quick rundown of their products. I received their makeup bag with the products. How cute is this? Just so cute. And what I like too is that I'm actually probably gonna keep those products in this bag for travel, for everyday. You can just reach for this bag and know you have pretty much everything in it. So love the packaging. So a little bit about Merit Beauty while I open these products. But Merit Beauty is pretty much a beauty brand that focuses on the person that wants to wear minimal makeup. Their key focus is minimalistic beauty, minimal makeup, which surprisingly, even though I love makeup and I buy a lot of makeup, which I don't use on the everyday basis, I literally don't wear makeup 90% of the time. And when I have to put on a little bit just to film, I reach for like my brows, a little powder to cut down on the shine, a lip gloss on the lips, and that's it. Maybe a little blush or bronzer or something like that. But my everyday, minimalist. I love a good like tinted moisturizer or, you know, a product that I can use many ways. That's it. So when I read up on their brand, it literally matches my style. They're also a clean at Sephora brand, which if you follow me, you know I've been talking a lot about clean products, clean skincare, clean makeup. So that sold me. Once I went to Sephora and saw that they were clean at Sephora, vegan, cruelty-free, natural, that was everything I needed to know. So what I also liked was Merit also allowed me to pick out the products and the shades that I wanted. It comes in this nice blue packaging, which is super nice. Love the packaging, clean, simple. Their packaging is also, what do you call it? Recyclable and biodegradable. So I love that about that. I haven't opened any of them because I wanted to go through it with you guys. So we're going to start with their complexion stick. So right now I don't really have anything on my face. I have my SPF from this morning. So don't really have much on the face. So we're going to start with the complexion stick. So this shade is Cacao, which is funny because that's my shade in the NARS foundations. It comes in 20 shades and it's basically a multi-stick. So when you open it, it looks like this. Hopefully you guys can see. Does it screw up? Oh yeah, it do. There you go. I was like, okay. So I got the shade Cacao. When I was looking at the other shades online, I just thought this one would match my skin better. I have neutral undertone, but sometimes a little bit of red can be really nice on my skin. So basically it's like a foundation and a concealer in one, which is perfect because most times if I'm just gonna film, I'm gonna reach for maybe a little bit of concealer under the eyes. All right, so let's see. Let's swatch it on the face. My skin is breaking out a little bit. I don't know what I use that my skin doesn't like, but it's been acting up for the last few days. But let's do a little swatch. So yeah, you can see it's not a perfect shade, but again, it's like a concealer as well. So I'm probably gonna let's try to focus it under my eye because this is usually what I would do anyway. All right, so let's just do that and blend that out. So I'm going to use my beauty blender and just blend this out real quick and see if it blends. See? It literally blends into my skin. So even though I was a little bit scared about that color, it really didn't do any, you know, it worked out good. Yeah, my skin likes a little bit of red undertone sometimes. So this is buildable. I believe you can use as much as you want. You can get the look that you like. Maybe if you like full coverage or something, you try to build it up a little bit. I am not a full coverage person. Like, less is more for me. I don't have a lot of like dark spots to cover up, but if I did, I would use a concealer first anyway. So this is perfect when you're on the go. I'm actually happy with that shade because I was worried that it was a little bit too off, but it blended right into my skin, give me a little, you know, a little color, bring my skin back to life. Just enough for you to look cute while filming, look, you know, kind of look put together while filming, or if you have to take a couple pictures and stuff, just enough to give you a little coverage. So it retails for $38. It comes in 20 shades, and like I said, it replaces your foundation, your concealer, so it's a 2-in-1. You can use it as a contour stick. This one wouldn't work. This shade wouldn't work for a contour stick on my skin, but still nice. It's lightweight. It's described as hydrating, buildable, and light to medium coverage. So moving on to the next product. All right, so the next one I have from them is their Flush Balm. It's like a blush color, but I think you can probably use it whichever way you want. It comes in 5 shades. They said it's flexible. Yeah, you can use it whichever way you want. It has vitamin E, and it retails for $28. So I picked this like plum shade. Let me see if it has a color. Beret. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Ooh, that is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's super pretty. So yeah, very lightweight. Oh yeah, that has pigments. I don't have a lot of cream blushes in my collection. I've been wanting to get some, so let's see. I'll build it up if I feel like I need a little bit more. But just a little dab on the cheek. It says just to blend with your fingers, so that is exact. It blends right in. I didn't want to go too heavy because I don't know how it's gonna blend out, but it melts right into the skin. Easy to work with. Give me a little color on the cheek. Okay, I'll probably put a little bit more. When I smile, you can see it. Very lightweight. I'm glad I have a like blush, a cream, even though it's a balm, but more of like a cream blush finally in my collection. So let's move on to the next product, which is I'm trying to go in order of the steps I would normally use. All right, so next product is the volumizing pomade, in basically a brow pomade. I can't talk, but love the packaging. It's in this nice gold. I've been using the one from Anastasia Beverly Hills for like over a year, so I'm probably running out of it anyway. So I was happy to, you know, try something else. But if you know anything about me, if you've been following me for a while, if you see my makeup videos, you guys know doing my brows is my least favorite thing to do. So a brow pomade is actually perfect because all I have to do is brush my brows into place. I don't need to do a lot. It has a little bit of color. This color is brown. I don't really care too much about if it has too much pigment. I just want my brows to look like I did something. So this is perfect for that. Can you see the difference between done, not done? Yeah. So this one is all over the place. And you just brush it in the direction. My brows are naturally already dark, so it's not like I need, or it's not like what's the word I'm looking for? It's not like missing pieces, so I don't have to like fill it in too much. That's it. That only took a minute, 30 seconds just to do that. And the next one is their Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. Love a good mascara. I hate, again, I don't wear lashes unless somebody's gonna put them on or it's a very special occasion. I might fight to get them on, but I don't do lashes because I just can't figure it out. Ooh, this packaging is cute. I just love the nice, clean, sleek packaging. So nice. So a good mascara that can actually make it seem like, you know, my brows are not bare, naked, is really, really good. So let's see how this one looks. Really nice tip. Really fine, which I like. I don't like those super jumbo mascara tips. So yeah, let's see how this is. And I like this too because I can use it on the top. Ooh, it feels good. It doesn't feel, what's the word? Some mascaras feel a little bit like rough. The bristles are really rough and you're really scared to like get your eyes. This doesn't feel like that. Yeah, normally with some, I'm scared to do the bottom lash. This feels super, super soft. This is definitely going in my, well, I said I'm going to keep it in that bag, but it's going to go in my everyday little bag. Done. Are we under 5 minutes? Well, probably not, but but yeah, my favorite thing about this is the brush. I like that brush. I don't feel scared to get in there. Like it really, it gets the job done. So I'm just gonna kind of go over my face a little bit with this pressed powder just to cut down on the shine. And we're already down to the final product, I believe. It is a tinted lip oil. I don't have any lip oils yet in my collection, so this is a nice addition to my collection. I've seen a lot of people talk about lip oils. So this is the packaging, super, super nice again. I was trying to look for like a nude, but this is the nicest color that I saw that would really, because I like browns as well, deep nudes. So this is the one I picked up. I probably will line my lips with a brown liner, but I left it out there, so I'll do this after. But let's go in with it. Again, love the little applicator. I have a little bit of lip gloss on now. Let me actually wipe my lips off because I had lip gloss on, so I don't want to, like, you know. So let's see. Ooh. Oh yeah. Love the color. Has that pigment for sure. Feels good. That feels good on lips. It doesn't feel sticky. Feels really, really good. This is literally my go-to. Literally. It reminds me of the chocolate lip gloss that I reach for a lot from Fenty, but this just doesn't have any shimmer or anything, but my lips feel good. So that is pretty much it, guys. I don't remember if I told you the price for the lash. So this is the Clean Lash mascara is $26. It only comes in this perfect black shade, and it lifts and tints, which is exactly what I did. And then the tinted lip oil, $24. Little tiny, but $24 comes in 8 shades. It's really sheer and light stain, and that is exactly what it is. Has the pigment, but it's super, super light, and it feels good. And it has rosehip oil and shea butter, so super moisturizing. First impression, I'm pretty impressed. I like all the products. The foundation stick I'll definitely use because it literally feels like I didn't put on anything, literally. The mascara, love the brush, definitely will be using. Lip oil, like I said before at the beginning, before even trying these products, I was like, I'm just gonna keep them in that makeup bag, and that is what I'm gonna reach for my everyday 5-minute makeup. Gotta go. Just want your face to look put together makeup. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed me trying out these Merit products. I really enjoyed using them and I really like them. I'm not just saying that. This is literally my everyday quick 5 minute. This is what I do when I want to get ready to film and stuff like that. So this is definitely right up my alley. I enjoy trying out the products. It's nice trying out clean products and knowing that they're clean and good for your skin, good for your body. I will have a link down below, an affiliated link down below, so make sure you guys check out Merit Beauty. Let them know I sent you. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. What's in your 5-minute makeup routine? Just leave me a comment down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.